Hello everyone, welcome to KS Math Academy. In this session, you will learn about the most expected questions from the chapters Matrices and Determinants for Class 12 CBSE. Look at the first question. If determinant of A is 8 of order 3, find the value of determinant of 3 times A. We know the formula determinant of K is equal to K power n into determinant of A. Here we are going to find the value of determinant of 3 times A. So 3 power 3 into determinant of A value is 8. So 27 times 8 is equal to 216 is our answer. Read this question. If A is a square matrix of order 3 such that A into HGA is equal to 10 times I, find the determinant of HGA. We know the formula determinant of HGA is equal to determinant of A raised to the power n minus 1. N is the order of the matrix. So in this case, the value is A, determinant of A and order is 3. So 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2. So value is 10. So 10 to the power 2 which is equal to 100 is our answer. If A is the square matrix of order 3 cross 3, then determinant of Ka is equal to K power n into determinant of A. Here order is 3, so K to the power 3 into determinant of A. So option C is our answer. Read this question. Check whether L plus M plus N is a factor of the given determinant. Give reason. So here we are going to use the elementary operation. So now we are going to add two rows, first two rows and replace with the first row. So now L plus M plus N, and similarly here also, and for the third column also L plus M plus N, and we are not disturbing the second row and third row. So as it is we have to write, and you can take your L plus M plus N outside of the determinant as a common from the first row. It is possible. So L plus M plus N you can take it out. So our determinant becomes now first row completely 1, second row N, L and third data is M, and for the third row it is 2. So here it is possible to take L plus M plus N as a common factor out of the determinant. So you can say it is the factor of the given determinant. In this question, we are given with two square matrices A and B of order 3, and determinant of A is 2, AB is equal to 2 times I, and we are going to find the value of determinant of B. So you use the given data AB is equal to 2 times I and take modulus on both sides and use the properties. So you can write like this, and determinant of A is given as 2 and modular determinant of B, and 2 into this value is 1. So you can cancel these two. So our determinant of B value is equal to 1. So that is our answer. Look at this question. For what value of X the given determinant is singular. Singular in the sense determinant value will be equal to 0. So you can find the determinants of 4 times 5 minus X minus of 2 times X plus 1 is equal to 0. If you expand your data, then that will be 18 minus 6X is equal to 0. So X is equal to 3 is our answer. Now in this question, you have to solve the value of X and Y. So we are given with 2 cross 2 matrix here. Here it is 2 cross 1. So do the matrix multiplication. So you will get X plus 2Y. Here this is 3Y plus 2X. 3Y plus 2X, and right hand side we have the data 3 and 5. So you can have your equation equal matrix concept. So 3y plus 2x is equal to 5, and solve the linear equation. These two linear equations so that you will get your data for x and y. So here y value x1 and x value is also 1 if you solve. Either by substitution method or by elimination method, our answer will be x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Look at this question. Our matrix A is given. Find the least value of alpha for which A plus A dash is equal to I. So A value cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha, and plus A dash value. So A dash value is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha, which is equal to I. So since it is order 2, so 1001 you can write over here. and add these two values. So you will get 2 times cos alpha 0, 0, 2 times cos alpha, which is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Now find the determinant value. So 4 times cos square alpha minus 0, which is equal to here 1 into 1 minus 0. So 1. So cos square alpha is equal to 1 by 4. So cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and alpha is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. So alpha value is pi by 3. Look at this question. If for a square matrix A square minus 3A plus I is equal to 0 and we are given with A inverse is equal to XA plus YI. Find the value of X and Y. So with the given data A square minus 3A plus I is equal to 0. Multiply both sides with A inverse. So A inverse into A square minus 3A plus I is equal to A inverse into 0. So now this is A minus 3I plus A inverse is equal to 0. So A inverse is equal to minus A plus 3I. Now compare this with your A inverse given equation. So your X value is equal to minus 1, Y value is equal to 3. And here we are asked to calculate the value of X plus Y. So X plus Y is equal to minus 1 plus 3, which is equal to plus 2. This question is a simple question. A is given, B is given. Find B transpose into A transpose. So directly you can write your data B transpose into A transpose. So 1 0 1 0 and A transpose value is 1 0 0 1 and you have to find the matrix multiplication answer. Then that will be 1 0 1 0. So this is our final answer. For the given matrix A is a skew schematic matrix. It is given. Find the value of A and B. The condition for skew schematrix is A transpose is equal to negative A. So you can write your value A transpose. So 0, 2, B and A 0, 1 minus 3 minus 1 0 and the negative of A. So minus 0 but plus 0 doesn't matter. 0 you can write it and minus A plus 3 minus 2 0 1 minus B minus 1 0. So while comparing you can get your answer minus A is equal to 2. So A is equal to minus 2 and your B value is equal to 3. So this is our answer. This is a famous question. If the matrix A is given like this and Aij, capital Aij is cofactor of small aij, then the matrix A can be written in what way? So here A11, how do we are finding our determinant value? So A11 into this data. So this is our cofactor value. And then here we have to find your data. You can do either in row format or in the column format and check your answer and then you can find your data. So here look at your option D. In the option D, A11 into A11. So A11 into A11, A21 into A21 and A31 into A31. So option D is our correct answer. So you have to check your data, given data matrix and then which is your cofactor of which and then decide your answer. Look at this question. We are given with two matrices A and B. So here BA is equal to small b ij. So BA. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1 multiplied with the A matrix 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 5. So look at the order over here. This is 3 cross 2 and here it is 2 cross 3. So the resultant matrix will be 3 cross 3 for us in this case. So what is asked in the question? B21. So B21 in the sense after finding the multiplication. So the B21 is with the second row with the first column. That is the meaning. So second row with the first column. So look at your data. Second row 4, 5. First column 1, 4. 1 minus 4. So your answer will be 4 minus 20. So minus 16. And similarly find your value B32. So B32 in the sense third row with the second column. So then third row and second column here you have to find. So our answer will be 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. So answer is minus 2 in this case. But finally we have to find the addition of these two. So B2 1 plus B3 2 minus 16 plus minus 2. So minus 18 is our answer. Look at this question. The given matrix should be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So let us consider our given matrix as A. So 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 1, 1, 2. So first we are considering the matrix P, that is 1 by 2 times A plus A transpose. So here you are going to prove the P will be P transpose. So the P matrix is a symmetric matrix. We are going to prove like that. So now you are going to find your P value is equal to 1 by 2 times. So 1 by 2 times A plus A transpose answer will be is equal to 5, sorry, 5 not 5, 3. 3, 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 and 2. And this is our P data. Now we are going to find the P transpose and we are going to prove P will be equal to P transpose. So P transpose will be equal to same data we are getting. So this is nothing but our P. So it is a symmetric matrix. Now consider one more. Q. Q will be equal to 1 by 2 times A minus A transpose. So here we are going to prove Q is a skew symmetric matrix. So our Q value will be 0 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 2 0 minus 3 3 by 2 3 0. If we find the transpose Q transpose, then this will be equal to 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 0, 3, minus 3 by 2, minus 3, 0. So this is nothing but negative of Q. So Q transpose will be negative of Q. So our Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Now what is our question? You have to express the given data. A, matrix A is a summation of symmetric and skew symmetric. So you have to add your symmetric matrix P and Q symmetric matrix Q. So you have to add these two data. So our data will be 3, 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 and 2. So this is our P data and your Q data. So this is our Q data. So take your Q data now. So Q is 0 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 5 by 2 0 minus 3 3 by 2 3 and 0. If we add these two, our answer will be summation matrix summation. Then this will be equal to 3 minus 2 minus 4 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 1 2. This is nothing but our given matrix A. Look at your given matrix. So this is our given matrix A. So we are expressing the matrix A as a summation of symmetric matrix and Q symmetric matrix. So hence proved. Moving on to the next question, matrix A is given. We are going to prove A cube minus 23 times A minus 40 times I is equal to 0. Here it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So identity matrix is order 3 cross 3. So for finding the A cube, first find your A square. So A square is A into A. So 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. And again you write your A matrix 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. matrix multiplication. Do your matrix multiplication. So our here both are 3 cross 3. So your resultant matrix is also 3 cross 3. So our answer is, this is our a square. Now we have to find our a cube. So a cube is a square into a. So what is our a square answer? This is our a square answer. So go with that. So 19, 4, 8, 1, 12, 8, 14, 6, 15 and with our A matrix. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. So do your matrix multiplication. Again 3 cross 3. So A cube answer is also with 3 cross 3. So 63, 46, 69. 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46 and again 63 for the last data. And what is our requirement? A cube minus 23a. So 23a. So you have to multiply your data with 23 here and minus 40i. So I is 100,010,001. So you can directly write your data. So a cube minus 23a minus 40i will be, so your a cube data minus 23a. So multiply your given a matrix with 23. So our answer will be second row 69 minus 46 23, third row 92 46 23 and minus 40i. So with the identity matrix you multiply with 40. Now do the process. So you are getting your answer as, the final answer here is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So 3 cross 3 0 matrix we are getting. So you can write your answer as 0 in the numerical value. So we are getting our right side part. So hence proved. Our next question is, A matrix is given with order 2 and identity matrix is also order 2. Then show that A square is equal to 4A minus 3A. This is first part and hence find A inverse. This is our second part. So you can find your A square. So A square is 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. Multiplication with the same data. Do your matrix multiplication. So your answer will be this answer. So this is our left hand side part, a square. And coming to the right hand side part, 4a minus 3i, which is equal to 4a. So 8 minus 4 minus 4, 8 minus 3i. So 3003. So this is again 5 minus 4 minus 4, 5. So left side will equal to right side. So you can say a square is equal to 4a minus 3i is proved now. First part is over. And coming to the second part, hence find a inverse. Now multiply the data with the a inverse on both sides. So a square, a inverse into a square, a inverse into 4a minus 3i. So this is a 4i minus 3a inverse. So a inverse we have to find. So 3a inverse is equal to 4i minus a. So a inverse is 1 by 3 times 4i minus a. So you can substitute your values so that you can get your answer here. So here it is 1 by 3 times 4 times I. So this is 4004 minus, you can keep your bracket like this. And a value is 2, 1 minus 1, 2. And simplify your answer. Your answer will be 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. So this is our A inverse answer. Meet you in the next video. Bye.